here I am on my WordPress site. This is a list of my forms, and I'm going to go ahead and open one of the forms here, the grant application form. And let me go into the form settings. And here in the form settings, once you have GravityRevisions installed, if you scroll down, you will see a new toggle to enable form revisions. And I have that enabled on this form. So I can scroll up to the top, and on the left, you'll see a new tab here, form revisions. And this is a brand new feed we've added here in this release. And here you'll see a list of all the revisions for that form. So once you enable that ability, all the revisions will begin to be tracked here. So in this case, I've got 3 revisions, and you can see here in this column the date and time that the change took place. Here it shows the user that made the change. Then we have the number of fields in the form at that time. And then we have some actions here. So you can actually preview a previous revision of the form. You can restore a form back to a previous date. And you can also delete revisions from the list if you don't need them. So let me go ahead and edit the form, and I'll show you how this works. So let's say I want to delete the address field here. I'm going to go ahead and remove that. Maybe I'll add another field in here. Let's say a field for the applicant's job. I'll go ahead and save that form. And then I'm going to head back to the form revisions page. And you can see that that revision is tracked here in the table. So we've got another addition. And like I said previously, you can preview previous dates of the form. So for example, if I want to go back and preview what the form was like at this point, I can just click the preview link, and up pops the Gravity Forms preview in this nice little modal, and you can see exactly what the form was like. I can get out of that. And then, for example, let's say I want to restore the form back to a previous state. And let's say I want to restore it back to this version. So before I made that edit, I can just go ahead and click restore. And that will, that's done already. The form has successfully been restored. So I can go and see what that looks like. And as you can see here, we've got the address field back, and the text field that I added is not there anymore. So yeah, this is a really cool way to keep track of form revisions. If you have like a big website with lots of different forms, lots of users editing things all the time, it's really helpful to keep track of those changes and be able to restore things if something goes wrong. So yeah, we're really excited about this change. We know that a lot of people have been asking for this, and we hope that, we get a lot of value from this.